Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best high-power slingshot is probably one of the most versatile tools you can own, capable of launching projectiles with incredible force and accuracy. Whether you're into target practice, hunting, or just enjoy the thrill of high-powered shooting, this slingshot offers an experience unlike any other. Its robust design and powerful performance make it a standout choice for both beginners and seasoned enthusiasts looking for an edge in their outdoor activities. Number 5. Slingshot for Adults Hunting Kit. This adult slingshot offers high velocity, accuracy, and power. It features a magnetic leather design for holding ammo securely. It's designed for professional use. This slingshot brings back childhood memories. It's perfect for sharing fun times with friends and family. You can enjoy the same experience you had when you were younger. The hunting shooting slingshot is built to fit comfortably in your hand. The adjustable support makes it more stable. The ergonomic grip ensures it's easy and comfortable to use. This professional slingshot set is great for entertainment, eye training, and outdoor hunting. It's a versatile tool for various activities. It's perfect for both fun and skill development. The kit includes the adult hunting slingshot, 3 high-tension rubber bands, 50 clay balls, 50 steel ammo, and 3 screw keys. Everything you need is included for immediate use. It's a complete set for your convenience. What we like. This slingshot features a magnetic leather ammo holder, making it easier to load and shoot. It also has an ergonomic grip for comfortable use. If you're looking for a slingshot that's easy to handle and perfect for both fun and training, this is a great choice. It's ideal for anyone who enjoys outdoor activities and wants a reliable tool for target practice or hunting. What people say. The build is sturdy, ensuring durability and longevity, making it a reliable companion for any outdoor enthusiast. The slingshot's ergonomic design is a game-changer. The grip is non-slip, offering a secure hold in all weather conditions, which enhances the overall shooting experience. Number 4. Slingshot Set for Adults. This metal slingshot is sturdy and durable, and it won't rust. It's small and portable, making it easy to install and grip. It's suitable for both adults and children. The handle uses an ergonomic design, increasing the thickness and friction. This makes it easy to grip and more comfortable for your palm. The slingshot comes with strong replacement bands of different thicknesses. Stainless steel sights help you practice and aim accurately, perfect for different shooting scenarios. It's great for attention training, entertainment, competitions, and even hunting. It's also a perfect item for collections. The kit includes a slingshot, targets, a magnetic ring, a pouch, ammo balls, stainless steel balls, rubber bands, and a mechanical sight. Everything you need to get started is included. What we like. This slingshot comes with stainless steel sights, helping you aim accurately. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, even during extended use. If you're a beginner or hobbyist looking to improve your accuracy, this is perfect for you. It's a great option for anyone who wants a durable and easy-to-use slingshot with all the necessary accessories. What people say. It has good power, was easy to put together, and is very accurate when shooting. It's amazing how good this shoots with even BBs, 2 different band kinds with different strengths. Weight is good, the grip and durability. It is ready out of the box or mount the included sights. It has a level indicator to line a perfect shot. Heavy-duty steel and the grip is pretty good-looking wood or great facsimile thereof. Number 3. Barnett Havoc Hunter Slingshot. Introducing the Havoc Hunter, the most advanced slingshot available. This is the ideal choice for adults seeking to enhance their precision and accuracy. Featuring Barnett's XX bands, a 3-distance range-finding sight, and a laser-cut ammo pouch, it ensures both power and precision with every shot. The Havoc includes vibration dampeners for smooth shots. The folding wrist brace and diamond knurled grip help keep you on target. The system includes the slingshot with a diamond knurled grip, a brushed leather pouch, XX bands, a 3-distance range-finding sight, and .38 caliber ammo. Barnett has been a trusted name in the industry since 1962. You can rely on it for quality and performance. What we like. This slingshot features XX tapered bands for powerful and precise shots. It also includes a range-finding ring sight to help you hit your target. If you're looking for a slingshot that offers both power and accuracy, this is a great choice. It's ideal for those who want to elevate their precision and enjoy a smooth shooting experience. What people say. Easily used for hunting small game. Built better and has better bands than the cheaper models. It has great accuracy, if you know what you are doing. Form fitting over the wrist for additional control is nice. The textured rubber grip is comfortable and also provides a nice weight to it so it doesn't feel like you are holding air. Everything comes together in the package, with some ammo, but you'll want to check local laws on what can be used. I purchased some additional frangible ammo to help mitigate any ricochets. As this is a Barnett product, you can't really go wrong on the price either. Number 2. Piaoyu Upgraded Slingshot, Powerful, Portable, Long-Range Shooting. This slingshot is crafted entirely from metal, giving it a solid feel. You'll immediately notice the quality and weight in your hand. It's built to last. The bow head is designed for versatility. You can easily install flat rubber bands, continuous tubular bands, or bands with beads. It adapts to your preferred style. Loading is simple, just secure your ammo, pull back the lever, and it clicks into place. Aim at your target and release. It's that straightforward. This slingshot is more powerful than standard models. Always wear protective goggles when using it. Make sure to keep yourself safe. The slingshot arrives unassembled for easy setup. It's carefully packaged. If you have any issues, like missing parts or scratches, contact us for a solution. What we like. This slingshot is made of all-metal material, giving it a solid feel. It allows for multiple types of band installation, catering to different preferences. If you are looking for a versatile and easy-to-use slingshot, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want a reliable and adaptable tool for various shooting scenarios. What people say. It has the Picatinny rail which allows it to accommodate a scope or laser sight of your choice, which is a huge plus for increased accuracy. This unit is built like a tank, and about as heavy. Seriously, it is a solid, most all metal, haven't found any plastic on it yet, sling gun that is loads of fun to use. I mounted the included laser pointer on the side Picatinny rail and a crossbow scope on the top. Number 1. Laser Slingshot Rifle, Professional Hunting with High Speed. This professional hunting slingshot delivers exceptional projectile speeds. It's engineered for precision, perfect for competitive sports and outdoor enthusiasts. The high-speed performance ensures accuracy with every shot. This versatile slingshot can shoot steel balls for hunting and fish darts for fishing. It comes with a fish wheel mounting holder, allowing you to easily adapt to different hunting scenarios. It's a great tool for various outdoor activities. Equipped with a high-power green laser sight, this slingshot helps you aim quickly. The laser has a visible distance of 150 meters during the day and 500 meters at night. It ensures you hit your target with precision. It features a 304 stainless steel bow head with a widened design. The slingshot uses professionally widened and thickened high-rebound latex rubber bands. This combination ensures durability and maximum power. Experience power and convenience with this hunting slingshot. It features an ergonomic footstep design for easy cocking. The stainless steel firing trigger guarantees safety and rapid launches, making it ideal for professional hunters. What we like. This slingshot offers high-speed performance with projectile speeds up to 120 ms. It is also equipped with a green laser sight for quick and accurate aiming. If you're a serious outdoor enthusiast looking for power, precision, and convenience, this is the one for you. It's ideal for professional hunters who want a high-end hunting slingshot. What people say. The slingshot is very powerful. The design is very good. It is well made and works great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.